Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have lost access to your Facebook account and can't recover it using your email or phone number, don't worry. In this video, I will show you a simple way to regain access to your account. Let's dive in. First, once you have opened up your browser, go to the Facebook Help Center by writing Facebook Help Center, or you can also search it with in the URL, write help.facebook.com. Once you're on the Help Center page, then click on it. Once you're there, scroll down and until you see login and password. Search for find your account. Then when you got that find your account from the find your account page, go there, and once you're there, you have to enter your Facebook username, and here you have to add. This will help Facebook identify your account. If you don't remember your username, you can ask a friend to check it for you. After entering your details, Facebook will show you a list of accounts that match this information. Look for your profile and select it. Facebook might ask you a very few questions to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. If you have set up the trusted contacts, you can also use them to recover your account. Once your identity is verified, you will be able to reset your password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and you are done. And that's it. You have successfully recovered your Facebook account without needing your email or phone number. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and with others who might need it, and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.